The country's Supreme Court earlier on this Monday condemned Sunday's acts of violence by the president's hardline supporters at the Seoul Western District Court following its order for a formal arrest of President Yoon Suk Yeol. Our Kim Bo-kyoung has the latest.
Justices expressed concerns over the attack on Seoul Western District Court by protesters on Sunday, saying no country would be able to survive if extreme actions disregarding the rule of law become normalized. This came during the emergency meeting presided by the Supreme Court Chief Justice on Monday morning. There, justices emphasized that any attempted acts of terrorism against individual judges or trials are not only a complete denial of the rule of law, but could also be considered acts of defiance against all constitutional institutions. The Court Administration Office has announced that the specific damage to the court, including exterior walls, windows, shutters, and other items, is estimated to be approximately 600 to 700 million Korean won, which is a little less than $500,000. Choi Sang-mok, the acting president too, voiced strong regret over the attack.
Democracy begins with abiding by the law. To persuade others, one must first follow the law themselves.
The court faced an unprecedented attack on Sunday after it issued President Yoon's formal arrest warrant at around 3 a.m. Angry supporters stormed into the court, heading to the back entrance when blocked by police at the front gate. Some smashed windows using stones and fire extinguishers to enter the court. Inside, they sprayed fire extinguishers, vandalized televisions and ATMs along with other items, and even ransacked a judge's chambers looking for Judge Cha Eun-kyung, who was responsible for the decision to issue the warrant. The protesters were only dispersed 3 hours later at around 6 a.m. after a large police force was deployed. Responding to the attack on the Seoul Western District Court, police and the prosecution said they will deal sternly with all of the protesters who were involved in violent acts, citing their attack as grave crimes that undermine the rule of law and the judicial system. According to the police on Monday, a total of 90 individuals were apprehended in the act over the weekend for illegal activities at Seoul Western District Court and the Constitutional Court. Meanwhile, the Seoul Western District Court returned to normal operations on Monday, though vehicle access is restricted and identity verification is required to enter. Kim Bo-kyoung, Arirang News.